Welcome to Introduction to Workato and Intelligent Process Automation. Workato is a market leader in intelligent process automation. We serve over 6,000 plus customers and connect to over 1,000 cloud and on-premise apps through 400,000 automation recipes. Named a leader by both Gartner and Forrester analyst reports, our company is founded by industry experts, funded by industry leaders, and partners with top cloud apps companies in the world. Our platform is also highly rated in major review sites, and we serve customers from all industries, including energy, education, financial services, and technology. The Workato platform allows you to create intelligent process automation workflows to remove the need for labor and manual tasks. This increases the predictability of services as well as reduces errors from manual tasks. More importantly, automation has helped many of our customers save costs. The basic building blocks of intelligent process automation is a workflow that starts with a trigger event and a list of one or more actions. Using an example from everyday life, a person that is hungry finds food and eats it. We say that the trigger event is the hunger and the actions are finding food and eating. If we take a closer look at the hunger trigger event, we will notice that it contains multiple data points that can be used for decision-making. We call this an object as it stores various information inside it. For instance, the amount of money we have, the current time of day, and where you are would determine what is available to buy, and more importantly, how hungry you are will determine how much food you will need to eat. By using data points, we can create conditions as part of the workflow logic to determine the action that needs to be taken. For example, if we check the fridge for food, the data point of whether there is food in the fridge or not will allow us to decide whether we can already eat or need to order food to eat. This is called an if condition, as actions are only performed based on a condition being met. Sometimes, multiple choices are available. For instance, when you are deciding what to order, you would have multiple choices, each with an associated cost and calorie count. This is called an array of options, as each item in the array has data points that you can use in decision-making. Given an array of options, you can go through the data points of each item in the list to determine which best suits your needs. This is called a repeat action, as you repeat a set of steps to determine actions that are performed on each item. In this example, you repeat the step of checking calorie content for each item before deciding which food option to eat. Comparing the above hunger example with a recipe on Workato, you will notice many similarities. A Workato recipe has a trigger event and a list of one or more actions. You can also include conditional actions as well as repeat actions to handle arrays. The only difference is that instead of an everyday example, a Workato recipe allows you to automate processes between the tools, systems, and apps that you use. In this course, you will see how Workato recipes can be used to build bots on Slack using triggers and actions. This brings us to the end of our second lesson. In the next lesson, we will be discussing what a workbot is.